Hi, welcome back. Yesterday I sent out a Morse Code video. Hope everyone saw it. It was about the first 5 letters of the alphabet. And today we'll be going over a few more, and hopefully you will understand more of Morse Code. So the next letter is F. And this one is 2 dots, 1 line, and another dot. And I like to remember this one because it almost looks like a fire truck, with that middle line being like a ladder, and then like the rest of it are like wheels for this fire truck. Next we have G, and this one is a fun one to remember because if you like sort of slant it a little bit, draw a little bit of this, it almost looks like a giraffe. Draw a few spots on it. The next one is H, which is 4 dots, and I like to think this one is sort of like hopscotch because someone is hopping on each box of the hopscotch. Next one is I, which is 2 dots, like how you have 2 eyes. Next is J, which is 1 dot and 3 lines. And this one almost looks like there's a little frog jumping on 3 lily pads. Next is K, which is the last one we'll be doing today. And, this one looks, it's a line, dot, line, and it almost looks like a kazoo, so it's like, it's the line, and like, that's like the little air hole, which is like the big dot. Yeah, use your imagination on that one a little bit, but, yeah, so these are the next few letters in the alphabet. And to leave you today, I will give you a few words to practice. So try to get these without looking at notes, so maybe like study a little bit before. And next video, I will give you the answer and you can see if you're right.